Hyderabadi Biryani is a celebrated dish from Hyderabad, India, known for its rich flavors and aromatic spices. This royal dish is a fragrant rice preparation made with basmati rice, marinated meat, typically chicken or mutton, yogurt, onions, and a blend of spices like saffron, cardamom, and cloves. The marinated meat and rice are layered and cooked together in a dum, slow cooking method, sealing the pot with dough to retain steam and enhance the flavors. Often garnished with fried onions, mint, and coriander, Hyderabadi biryani is a culinary masterpiece that offers a perfect balance of flavors and textures, enjoyed by food lovers worldwide. Masala dosa is a beloved South Indian dish, known for its thin, crispy pancake made from a fermented rice and lentil batter. The dosa is traditionally filled with a spiced potato mixture, featuring ingredients like mustard seeds, curry leaves, turmeric, and onions. Served hot, it is accompanied by coconut chutney and sambar, a tangy lentil soup. The dish is not only a staple breakfast item, but also popular as a street food across India. Its unique blend of textures and flavors makes masala dosa a delightful culinary experience, celebrated for its simplicity and delicious taste. Rogan Josh is a signature dish from the Kashmir Valley in northern India, celebrated for its rich and aromatic flavors. This succulent lamb curry is cooked in a blend of yogurt, garlic, and a mix of traditional Indian spices like cumin, cloves, and cardamom. The deep red color of Rogan Josh comes from the liberal use of Kashmiri red chili powder, which adds a mild heat and vibrant hue without overwhelming spiciness. The dish is typically slow-cooked to tender perfection, allowing the meat to absorb the robust flavors of the gravy. Often served with steamed rice or naan, Rogan Josh is a staple of Kashmiri cuisine and a beloved comfort food. Butter chicken, also known as murg makhani, is a quintessential dish from Punjab, India. It features succulent pieces of chicken marinated in yogurt and spices, then cooked in a creamy tomato sauce rich with butter and aromatic spices like garam masala, cumin, and coriander. This dish is renowned for its velvety texture and mild yet flavorful taste, making it a favorite worldwide. Typically enjoyed with naan or basmati rice, butter chicken combines the richness of Indian spices with the smoothness of butter and cream, creating a delectable and comforting culinary experience. Its origins trace back to the kitchens of Delhi's Moti Mahal restaurant in the 1950s. Pani puri, also known as golgappa in North India, is a beloved street food that tantalizes the taste buds with its burst of flavors. It consists of hollow, crispy purees filled with a mixture of tangy tamarind water, spicy mint water, mashed potatoes, chickpeas, and sometimes flavored water. Each bite delivers a delightful explosion of spicy, sweet, and tangy tastes. Vendors skillfully assemble these bite-sized wonders on the spot, ensuring freshness and maximum crunch. Pani puri is not just a snack but a sensory experience, capturing the essence of India's vibrant street food culture. Dokla is a traditional Gujarati snack made from fermented rice and chickpea batter, offering a light and fluffy texture. This savory cake is steamed to perfection, ensuring a healthy and delicious treat. Often seasoned with mustard seeds, green chilies, and garnished with fresh coriander and grated coconut, dokla is typically served with tangy tamarind chutney and spicy green chutney. Its appealing yellow color comes from turmeric, adding not only flavor but also a vibrant look. Dokla's unique combination of tangy, sweet, and spicy flavors makes it a beloved dish in Indian cuisine, perfect for breakfast, snacks, or even a light meal. Vada pav, often called the Indian burger, is a popular street food from Mumbai. It consists of a spicy potato fritter, vada, sandwiched in a soft bread roll, pav. The vada is made by mashing boiled potatoes with spices, coating them in chickpea flour batter, and deep frying until golden brown. The pav is typically buttered and toasted. This savory snack is usually served with a variety of chutneys, such as tamarind, garlic, and green chutney, and often accompanied by fried green chilies. Vada pav is beloved for its simplicity, affordability, and bold flavors, making it a quintessential Mumbai experience. Chole bhature is a beloved dish from Punjab, known for its robust flavors and satisfying combination. Chole refers to spicy chickpeas cooked in a tangy, flavorful gravy made with onions, tomatoes, and an array of spices like cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Pature are deep-fried, fluffy bread made from refined flour and yogurt, providing a perfect, slightly chewy complement to the chickpeas. This dish is often enjoyed as a hearty breakfast or lunch and is typically accompanied by pickles, sliced onions, and a refreshing yogurt-based drink called lassi. Chole bhature exemplifies the rich culinary tradition of Punjab. Sambar is a quintessential South Indian dish, celebrated for its rich, tangy, and spicy flavors. It is a lentil-based vegetable stew, typically made with tur dal, pigeon pea lentils, and a medley of vegetables like carrots, drumsticks, and tomatoes. Tamarind pulp imparts its signature tanginess, while a blend of spices, including mustard seeds, cumin, fenugreek, and sambar powder, enhances its depth. Often served with rice, idli, or dosa, sambar is a staple in South Indian households. Its versatility and hearty, nutritious composition make it a beloved dish that showcases the region's culinary artistry and vibrant flavors. Litti chokha is a traditional dish from Bihar, India, celebrated for its rustic flavors and simplicity. Litti consists of whole wheat dough balls stuffed with a spiced mixture of roasted gram flour, sattu, herbs, and spices, then roasted over a fire or baked. It is often served with chokha, a mashed vegetable side dish made from roasted eggplant, tomatoes, and potatoes, seasoned with mustard oil, garlic, and green chilies. This hearty and nutritious meal reflects the agrarian culture of Bihar, offering a delightful combination of smoky, spicy, and tangy flavors that make it a beloved comfort food. Idli is a beloved South Indian breakfast staple, known for its light, spongy texture and subtle flavor. Made from a fermented batter of rice and urad dal, black gram lentils, these steamed rice cakes are rich in probiotics and highly nutritious. Idlis are typically served with sambar, a flavorful lentil and vegetable stew, and coconut chutney, which adds a refreshing contrast. Their simplicity and ease of digestion make them a popular choice across India. Whether enjoyed plain or paired with spicy accompaniments, idlis are a versatile and wholesome dish that exemplifies the culinary traditions of South India. Pongal is a traditional South Indian dish, particularly popular in Tamil Nadu. It's a comforting and savory rice and lentil dish known for its simplicity and rich flavor. The key ingredients are rice, moong dal, split yellow lentils, and ghee, clarified butter, seasoned with black pepper, cumin seeds, ginger, and cashews. Pongal is often prepared during the harvest festival, also called Pongal, celebrated in January. The dish embodies the essence of Tamil Nadu's culinary tradition, offering a perfect balance of spices and a creamy texture. It's typically enjoyed with coconut chutney, sambar, or a dollop of yogurt. Thank you for joining me on this delicious journey through India's diverse culinary landscape. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more exciting food adventures and recipes from around the world. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.